Section 5.5, example 3, listing all possible rational zeros. So list all possible rational zeros of that function. So what we have here is this function. And like in this last problem, they did tell us that this was one of the zeros. So they gave it to us. We had a starting point. Over here, we have no starting point whatsoever. So we have to kind of think strategically. So let's kind of look at what we normally do for quadratics. So we have f of x, we'll say 2x squared minus 5x plus 3. So something that looks like this, we normally look at like 2 times 3, that would be 6. So two numbers that multiply to 6 that add to -5. So what we're looking at is factors of that last number and also factors of that first number. So that's pretty much what we do here too for higher degree polynomials. We're looking at factors of the last number, so factors of 4, and also factors of 2. But we just look at factors of 4 divided by factors of 2. So all possible zeros are going to be of that form. So possible zeros are in the form of plus or minus. So we have to get all the positive values and all the negative values as well, because we don't know if it's going to be positive or negative. So possible zeros. And what we do are factors of the last number. So in this case, factors of 4, and we're dividing them by factors of 2. So now let's think about what those are. So plus or minus factors of 4. 4 is divisible by 1. 4 is divisible by 2. Not 3. 4 is divisible by 4. So those are all the factors of 4. And then we think about factors of 2. That's just going to be 1 and 2. And we're going to give every one of these possibilities. So numerator, we have 1. Let's see, we have 1 divided by 1. That's going to give us plus or minus 1. Then we have 2 divided by 1. That's going to give us 2. 4 divided by 1. That's going to give us 4. And next we look at the 2's. So 1 divided by 2, 1/2. 2 divided by 2, that's equal to 1. So we already wrote 1 down. So we're good there. And then 4 divided by 2, that gives us 2, which we already wrote down 2. So these are all the possibilities, or let's be a little more annoying and just write them all out. So positive 1, 2, 4, 1/2, and also the negative version of all of those. -1, -2, -4, -1/2. So those are all the possibilities that we could possibly use as zeros for this function. So we could try all of these or keep trying the easy ones until we could see numbers a little bit better. But those are all the possible zeros. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Otherwise, bye.